fire started to glow from the farthest edges of my heart. And without me noticing, it became the most passionate flame. My butterfly floats to and about so aimlessly it wanders. It leaves behind some dust as it flies, it falls upon your head. Slowly we pull apart, our fingers intertwine,
and move so that I can taste your lips.
What we do tonight, it may be a sin, but still that just makes me want you more. I want to hold you close to me until I scream in ecstasy. I know you're the only one who can tell me this is no sin. Kiss me where you please and make your body come with ease. You poison me with your love, so now take me down with your magic spell.
There's nothing that can keep me far from you, even if you tie me up. And if your love for me is real, then I only ask you to be true. There's no way I'll change who I am, even the things I love are strange. Let's just go as far as we can, just let me hold your hand. With our minds and hearts that may just fly away.
As long as I melt with you,
I will take on time if just to be with you. I want to feel you oh so tenderly. This act I repeat endlessly. My love, you know it's not a dream. What we are and what we do is so real. It's you and me, just a single touch, and we know there's no going back. But that's just fine, it's okay, for you are the only one that's meant for me.
Myself afraid, and it seems I just cannot stop my tears. You held me so close and said it's all okay, but love, I saw that you were crying too. I want to hold you close to me until I scream in ecstasy. I know you're the only one who can tell me this is no sin. Kiss me where you please and make your body come with ease. You poison me with your love, so now take me down with your only into you, just like two real magnets do. Even if we're both so far apart, I know we'll connect. Let us become one, and we know